Hi guys, so just a quick one. This is a little experiment. So I have here some joinery quickset super glue, some 2,2 lead exploding flashbang pellets. We have some safety matches that I have scraped off the sulfur with my little knife, and what I have done is I have put super glue on just two of them and sprayed it with this for fast set to make it go hard. And then I have done two with the sulfur from the matches and then also super glued them so they are nice and solid and domed, if you can see that. So they're the sulfur ones, and they're just the standard super glue ones. So I'm going to shoot two normal ones at a piece of laminate floor, then them two, and we will see if there's any difference. Alright guys, let's do this then. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to single load these. I don't even know if I can single load them. So first of all, let's just shoot a normal one. I'm going to go for the top part of the board. So that was a normal one. That was pretty loud. Don't know what type of damage is done. So this is one with super glue on. I'm gonna put a hole next to it. Wow. For one, it doesn't shoot straight with super glue on. That was miles to the left, to the right, sorry. And it didn't really sound that much louder. God, fiddly to single load this thing. Well, that one flew straight there and was slightly louder. So now, going to be using God, these are so fiddly to get in. So this one has sulfur from matches and super glue. Now that was definitely a better flash, but same again, I didn't really notice that much difference in the loudness. That one's not going to go in. So I must have put a little bit too much super glue on that one. So let's go take a look. The one with super glue and only super glue seemed to work quite well. The standard one didn't quite make it through. That one was with a super glue. That one didn't really make it through, but there wasn't much super glue on that one. And that one was the one with sulfur on. Didn't make it through. But this one with the sulfur did produce the best flash. You can see a bit of the sulfur there. Don't think it detonated. That one was one with super glue on, and that one was with super glue, which put a big hole, and that one was a standard one. Yeah, well, I thought I'd try that because I've seen loads of people on YouTube saying if you put sulfur off matches and a bit of super glue on the flashbang pellets, it makes them much later. Well, I personally think it didn't make them later, but you do get a little bit more flash. The one with only super glue on was slightly later, but the one with sulfur on give you more of a flash. But to be fair, not really that much difference. So I'll try something else next time. See you all later.